guys, let's see what's your person saying to you. What his message for you, his or her. Take what resonates to the collective only. Okay, let's see. Guardian angels, what is person's online? What's the message for this collective, for this lovely collective? Oh, by the way, one more. Okay, so before I'm gonna proceed, I would like to say thank you, my friend. Shout out for my friend who made this tattoo. It's so lovely. So already here. So I got this. I am VIP. That's why free. Try no all. Whatever. So thank you anyway. Thank you so much. Until next time again. I'm not mentioning his name. No. He's yeah. My friends of mine is so okay, well anyway. Oh, girl, to this lovely collective. I think you are soulmate to each other. You are soulmate to each other. Yeah. You are tawag niya. You are dealing with this runner chaser. The one who is a runner, your person is a runner. So he has fear of intimacy, fear of commitment. So, but there is coming, change. If you saw a dragonfly, so that's your sign. That's the sign. Your soulmate is on its way. It's on its way. Baka nag-travel pa siya ng too far away. No, for you. O, diba? Bongga. Haba ng hair. So, but anyway, thank you Tenala so much, So, my after. But anyway, proceed. So, I think your person is, he has an addiction, either addiction for either material things that he need to let go, and also the obsession here for being codependent to each other, maybe both of you, right? So you need to let go and remove this, or else your connection, if you're gonna be together and you just decide to be together, when this person is coming forward to you and contact with you, and because there's forgiveness, asking, communications coming here. So you need to let go all the addiction, obsession, possession, controlling, and emotional back. So you need to remove that to you if you want a new beginning here. If you want to part again this partnership, your person, so you need to let go that, because there's it will, you're gonna be, both of you will be healed to each other. Heal all those hurtful, all those pains, what both of you, what are you saying to each other. That's why you have a separation. That's why you and into no contact, no separation, or divorce, or whatever is, or break up. Okay, there's a coming healing here, but you need to let go all their toxicity and addiction here. And I know that's not an easy, but if you are in the phase of healing, it takes time. But if you are already healed, you need to help this person, because I know what I can sense here, what I can feel here. Both of you has a mission here, because you are soul contract. This is your lifetime partners. It's a soul connection, soulmate, twin flames. So it means you have a mission here in this world. The mission here is love. Love is number one forever. Yeah, love is definitely. Okay, so there's a transformation here. The death card. The relationship will come into because the relationship was over or is ending or new beginning coming and for everything and transformation here. Because you are connected to the red thread. But this your person has many options to here, but you are the only one to his heart. I can sincere, ikaw lang yung laging yung iniisip niya. But there's some competitions happening here. Either there's a third party or yes, cheating here, betrayal here. Many people who interrupt in this relationship, in this connection. That's why you went up into uncleared. What I can say, uncleared. Yeah, not clarity. But he will coming back to set you to date with you. Ay, sana all. Okay. Next. So you are stage of the phase of honeymoon phase. Yeah, both of you. What do you call that? How I can say that in a short period of honeymoon phase, the happiness you both are enjoying to each other. You are playful because you have a child soul. It's me. Okay, so there's an ascending in new phase. Okay, see, like what I said earlier, it's a new beginning, new phase. So you are transcending here. So preparing for the union. Okay, prepared. I think. Okay. Take what resonates, and go. If this resonates to you, please comment. Please comment. It will happen within this coming week. ASAP. Sorry. Well, he's working out and repair what's lost. And please, do some positive mindset because blessings comes or your manifestation will come. If you manifest this person to come forward to you, it will come. Positive only. Be positive and don't. Because see, this is marriage coming. I think he will propose to you. He will propose to you. Yeah, he will propose to you. This one is your person is watching and stalking to you. He's stalker. So here is reminiscing your memories, or maybe you. From the past. But let go all the past. Because past is past. No, what can you do if the past is already past? What can you do that if you're stuck in that past? Then how can you move on and how can you move forward in a new relationship? If you're still dealing with the past pain, past hurt, you cannot achieve the real love, the true love, the real happiness. But you need to let go you need to let go all the pains and burdens because it's not good to the new relationship, because it will be round and round, repeat if you're not letting go of that. But prepared. I'm tongue-tied now. Be prepared because he will contact you. So